Greetings, everyone. This is the video I mentioned in the email I sent earlier. If you didn't get that email, please check your GRCC email account and you will see I sent you an email with a copy of the syllabus and the full class workshop document we'll be using for the full class workshop. You will be able to see weeks 10 and 11. We have to use 2 weeks to get through all of the full class workshop slots. So if you click on week 10 and you'll see week 10 and 11, pretty much the same. We have, you're gonna need to bring your stamina for these 2 weeks, because by giving everyone up to 15 minutes to present one workshop piece to the whole class, means we're gonna use 2 class periods to do that. So I had to move some things around. It's important for you to pay attention to the type of document you bring to a workshop, because you have 15 minutes, that's true, but you should not bring the longest document you have and try to squeeze everything into 15 minutes. We have to do a lot in that 15 minutes. We have to listen to you and fill out forms to give you feedback. So I just want you to be aware that full class workshop is for breadth, not really depth. So you're going to get a lot of feedback. So it's best to pick a piece that you can do, probably say in about maybe 10 minutes or so, 10 or 11 minutes. And that's not too overly complicated. You can bring your other more complicated pieces to the small group workshops. So yeah, keep that in mind. And we don't have any transition time. I also want you to keep in mind that you need to be prepared to present your work this Thursday, even if you're not scheduled until next Thursday, because if people are not ready or if people are absent, we're going to move to the next person who's supposed to present. And it doesn't matter if you are scheduled on the 25th, if there people aren't present, everyone needs to have their pieces uploaded this Thursday. So to upload your pieces, you're going to go to the full class workshop discussion forum. There's only one link here. It's going to open that link. These are all the instructions, and I already sent you the document we're using. Yes, you're going to have to complete this for everyone who presents. So what you will find is I gave you a slot and a day and a time. So everyone, your homework, your task before the start of class is to come and find your name and click the reply button to this is the parent post I've posted for you. So you will click the reply button under your name, and then you're going to upload your piece that you're presenting. It's just important to have that piece there. And then you'll hit submit. And then when your classmates have completed their responses, they're going to come and they're going to reply to where you posted your initial piece for presenting. So that's how that goes. You shouldn't be spending too much time preparing the piece, like between today, this is almost 11 p.m. on Thursday, on Tuesday. You should have that piece already selected, and then you should spend time figuring out what you want feedback on. So please make sure you spend an adequate amount of time just filling out these prompts for the piece you're presenting. Breathe, people. This is to just get initial feedback. You're going to spend more time in the small groups. So just bring something and get it posted and be prepared. So as you see, we don't have any transition time. I try to honor the request to have more time for the large full class workshops. So I put it in 15-minute increments, but there's no transition time. Last semester, people only had 10 minutes and I gave me a few minutes of transition time. So we're going to be back to back here. So again, pay attention to the length of your document. And remember, if 20 people show up, you're going to get 19 pieces of feedback. So keep that in mind as you think about what feedback you want. And I have to fix this. It says that you can get feedback to select one of the following workshops. Actually, you can get feedback in this case by selecting up to 2. So I need to change that here. All right, that's my overview. And hopefully this helps and people will be ready to present on Thursday. Thursday at the start of class, I am expecting to see everyone have something here. It does not matter if your time is next week, Thursday, everyone must have their piece posted this week by the start of class.